In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace background in Luminar Neo. By the end, you'll have a clean, realistic composite that looks professionally done, not pasted together. Start by opening your photo and switching to the Edit view. In the right-hand panel, open Layer Properties, then Masking. Choose Background Removal AI. Luminar will scan the image and identify your subject. If you see selection options, pick your subject, then click Remove. The software automatically cuts your subject out of the original scene using AI. Give it a moment to process, and then zoom in around tricky areas like hair, fine edges, or semi-transparent objects to see how well the cutout held up. Next, refine the cutout so it looks natural. Click Refinement Brush. You'll see 3 targeted modes that do the heavy lifting. Use Object to paint back any parts of your subject that were mistakenly erased. Edges of clothing, fingers, flyaway hairs. Use Background to clean up leftover bits from the old scene, random patches between arms, through chair backs, or along the outline. Then use Transition to smooth the boundary where subject meets background, softening halos and blending wispy details. Adjust your brush size and softness as you go, and work slowly around contours. This extra care is what makes hair and edges look believable. Now it's time to add the new background. Open the Layers panel and click the plus icon to Add Image. Choose your replacement background and it will appear as a new layer. Drag that layer below your subject so the subject sits on top. If needed, reposition or scale the background so the composition feels balanced, keeping the horizon and perspective consistent with your subject's angle. To sell the effect, match the lighting and colors. Start with exposure to bring overall brightness into the same range as your subject. Nudge temperature warmer or cooler so skin tones and the background agree. Use shadows and highlights to control contrast. Lift shadows if your subject was shot in softer light, or pull down highlights if the new scene is bright. Open the color tool to fine-tune saturation and tint so nothing looks out of place. If you have Relight AI, use it to subtly adjust how light falls on your subject, nudging depth and direction so it lines up with the background's light source. Give everything a final once-over, toggling before and after. With clean masking, a well-placed background, and carefully matched light and color, your new scene will look seamless and convincing.